When it comes to building muscle, protein plays a pivotal role in facilitating growth, repair, and maintenance of muscle tissue. Whether you're a professional athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply looking to enhance your physique, understanding the different protein sources and their impact on muscle growth is essential. In this comprehensive guide, we'll explore the best to worst protein sources for optimal muscle growth, including both animal and plant-based options, along with their respective pros and cons. Whey protein. Whey protein stands out as one of the most popular and effective protein sources for muscle growth. Derived from milk during the cheesemaking process, whey protein is a complete protein, containing all essential amino acids necessary for muscle repair and growth. It is quickly absorbed by the body, making it ideal for post-workout supplementation to kickstart muscle recovery. Additionally, whey protein is rich in branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, particularly leucine, which is known to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Pros: rapid absorption for quick muscle recovery. High in essential amino acids, especially leucine. Convenient and easy to consume in the form of shakes or bars. Supports immune function and overall health. Cons: some individuals may experience digestive discomfort or allergies. Quality may vary depending on processing methods and additives. Not suitable for vegans or those with lactose intolerance. Too lean meat, chicken, turkey, beef. Lean meats such as chicken, turkey, and beef are excellent sources of high-quality protein, along with essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and B vitamins. These meats provide a complete amino acid profile, promoting muscle repair and growth. Opting for lean cuts helps minimize saturated fat intake while maximizing protein content. Pros: high biological value protein for muscle building. Rich in essential nutrients necessary for overall health. Versatile and can be incorporated into various meals. Cons: high intake of red and processed meats may increase the risk of certain health conditions. Environmental concerns related to meat production. Potential for antibiotic and hormone residues in conventionally raised meats. 3. Fish and seafood. Fish and seafood offer a lean source of protein packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which have anti-inflammatory properties and support heart health. Varieties such as salmon, tuna, and cod are particularly rich in protein and essential nutrients like vitamin D and selenium. Pros: high-quality protein with minimal saturated fat, rich in omega-3 fatty acids for cardiovascular health. Provides essential micronutrients like vitamin D and selenium. Cons: risk of environmental contaminants like mercury, especially in larger fish species. Allergies to seafood are relatively common. Sustainability concerns related to overfishing and habitat destruction. 4. Eggs. Eggs are a nutritional powerhouse, offering a complete source of protein along with essential vitamins and minerals. The protein in eggs is highly bioavailable, meaning it is easily absorbed and utilized by the body. Additionally, eggs contain choline, which plays a role in muscle function and metabolism. Pros: complete protein source with all essential amino acids. Rich in vitamins and minerals, including choline, vitamin B12, and vitamin D. Versatile ingredient suitable for various cooking methods. Cons: potential allergen for some individuals. Concerns about cholesterol content. Although recent research suggests dietary cholesterol may not significantly impact blood cholesterol levels for most people. Ethical considerations related to egg production practices, such as cage-free and free-range options. 5. Plant-based protein sources, legumes, nuts, seeds, and soy. Plant-based protein sources offer an alternative for individuals following vegetarian or vegan diets, as well as those looking to reduce their intake of animal products. While plant proteins may not always provide all essential amino acids in optimal ratios, combining different sources can ensure adequate intake. Legumes, nuts, seeds, and soy products like tofu and tempeh are examples of plant-based proteins. Pros: rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and phytonutrients. Lower in saturated fat and cholesterol compared to animal proteins. Environmentally sustainable and cruelty-free. Cons. May lack certain essential amino acids, particularly lysine in grains and methionine in legumes. Digestibility and absorption may be lower than animal proteins. Some individuals may experience digestive discomfort due to antinutrients like phytates and lectins. Conclusion. Protein is a cornerstone of muscle growth and repair, and choosing the right sources can significantly impact your fitness goals. While animal-based proteins like whey, lean meats, fish, and eggs offer high-quality protein with optimal amino acid profiles, plant-based options like legumes, nuts, seeds, and soy provide valuable alternatives for those with dietary restrictions or preferences. Ultimately, incorporating a variety of protein sources into your diet, along with regular exercise and adequate rest, is key to achieving optimal muscle growth and overall health.